Hey friends, today I'm bringing you a product that's truly worth your attention. If top-tier quality and excellent reviews matter to you, this is the perfect choice. This product features long-lasting durability, ratings of 4.8 to 5.0, and is a popular favorite for good reason. Want to learn more? Visit the link in the description. If this recommendation helps, like this video and subscribe for more. Thank you, and enjoy shopping. Hey friends, today I'm bringing you a product that's